Okay, let's welcome our handsome Kenneth Yeap.
Okay. We start with the obvious ones, like 8 here because it's only one cell, and 3 plus is 1, 2, and for 28 times is 174. And then 1, 2, and 8 has been used in this row. This row, 1, 2, and 8 have been used, so the only left is 3, 4, 7, which in this case is 1 minus, so the only feasible one is 3 and 4. And since there's a 4 here, then we can fill in 3 and 4 very quickly, and the remaining number 7 goes here and 4 goes here. Okay, and then the other one is 15 plus is also very obvious. It is 7 plus 8, and since there's already a 7 on the top row, therefore here it's 8 and 7. Okay, so one thing is that the 672 times, we ignore that because it will take time to actually find the actual product of the numbers, so we can ignore that for the time being. Next, we can see the 12 times here. The 12 times, it is okay, there are technically two answers, which is 234, 232 or 134. Okay, so before we look at that, okay, we have to see these two divide. Okay, this applies to all two divide on the okay. This two divide is actually 2 on top. No, I just said 2 on top. And we don't know what is down here, but it doesn't matter because 232 cannot be applied on the 12 times. Because if 232 applied with the 12 times, the bottom two will contradict it. So it's 134. It's 134, and since there's a 4 on the bottom, the top part will be a 4 and bottom will be a 1 and 3. So what's left is 2 and 8, and since there's already an 8 on the last column, so it will be a 2 here and 8 here. And 2, since there's a 4, it's a 1 here. Okay, 1, 4, 8, this does not do anything. Okay. The 2 divide, I didn't see that. Sorry. 2 divide will be a 1 because there's a 4 on the first row, on the first column. And therefore, since there's a 1 here, it's a 1 and 3 in the bottom down here. So, for here, it's 3 and 4. For here, 8 and 7. And for the 9 plus, since there's a 1 down here, it has to be 2 and 7. And since we already know the location of a 7 in the second column, so it's a 2 and 7. And since a 7 is a 8 and 7 here. Then the left is 3, 4, and 8. So 3, 4, and 8. The bottom here is 3 and 4 and 8. Since here can only put 174, and here it also has an 8, so we put 8. And 1, 3, 4, 8 on the second to last row. So it's a 2 and 7. 2 and 7. So total up would be 17. Therefore, the top part will be 3. And since this is a 3, it's a 3 and 4, 2 and 1. And this side is 8 and 4.
We have 8 here.
Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. I saw wrong. 2 and 4. Said wrongly. Sorry. 2 and 4. And since there's a 2, 7 and 2. And 1, 2, 4, 7. So there's a 3 and 8 missing. Right, 8 and 3. And filling the rest is 1 and 7.
Okay, thank you, Kenneth Yeap. Great explanation.